I don't lack all this thing. Vicky is my witness. Those my sweetheart, they are my witness. I give you. I think that this thing, no, even blessing tell you say this is something there inside though. You say no, if you go talk to you, don't go eat. Later you can't say you eat. You say you're active. At first, I think that she's strong, go. She can't gallant. Now who tell you Victoria's kitchen everything take boast.
But you are not strong.
Ivana, you strong, you not strong finish. You will like crap yourself Victoria's kitchen.
I just dey laugh now. Not only laugh, I laugh.
But you cry. That's it. You cry now. You not cry. Not be Vicky. I wish Vicky not did. They don't want to pet you.
I cry.
Hey, when I call Vicky come, tell Vicky make it come. Ivana, not be pet. They call the pet. He said, yeah. Talk true.
I cry how?
Hey, you see, evidence too good. Evidence good. Ivana, you cry. See, I can't even fear. Say, God, if this should do Ivana now, how want to explain? Where I want start from? So this one now, your man go day. Let me just give you guidelines on how you do it. See, if you shop these brownies, not shop everything, you'll give you go one, you'll take one. So me shake can handle it. See, anything you make you did do with your, you surprise you they go see you do when you to the
platform. I know what.
When you to the platform, nobody reach you for that matter. If they see your topic here, they'll move, they'll base. You'll surprise your talents. Keys go they fly left and right. You got taken wrongly. Now where? You can't they cry for you to cry and you'll cry for a care. It's more better. It will take good care of you. Now your baby where they pamper. You pamper you. That's what Valentine's season of love. You know these things. I mean nothing imagine. See, you go even love you. To over love you more than this. You say, this is the girl I signed up for. Truth. I'll send for you. I'll send out the web bill. They'll call you.
I don't want.
You said you don't want. I don't understand. Thank you yourself.
I don't want.
You know that your boyfriend parents say says enjoy your surprise package. You know whether I buy see make I send down for you. Are you aware of that? If he's the one that bought it.
You cannot send me that kind of a thing.
Hey, chicken now when you bury my chest. Hey,
I'll send it. I'm using my phone. Or will you tear him? I'll send it. I'm using my phone. Where did you go?
Hey.
Why you go with your cookies for me? I'll be brownies for me.
For trouble, I mean your total for get voltage. You don't understand. See, now season of love. I beg that day. As you day, okay, you say you get show that day, you get work that day. After work now, sure you don't prepare, you don't buy your own gifts. You don't buy your gifts. Not the only one go buy gift for you. You don't buy your gift.
I say concern you.
It concern
do
me.
Marry. Please don't daddy. Do I marry? Organicwa.
Me. But I never reach to marry now. Very true.
So you don't feel bad like this.
Chineke, which to someone passed on?
I go small now. You marry now.
Just me marry now.
You senior me now.
You sure?
Yeah,
you sure?
Yeah,
18.